service has been absolutely amazing. It doesn't matter if it's 2 o'clock in the morning and I have a problem with it at the place where I'm staying and I need a translator. He's there, he's on the phone, and he makes it happen. You know, you come down here, you bring a big group, he gives you a telephone and says, here, you can call me anytime, it doesn't matter. It's a local telephone number, so you can get a hold of me. There's no other place like this I've ever been before that actually cares about you as a customer and cares about your experience and will bend over backwards to help you. And at the end of the day, I'm not paying any more than I would if I went somewhere else. No other place I've ever stayed before in all of my travels in China, Thailand, anywhere, that I've ever had a tour operator like Rio Sports Tours. So again, I can't say enough good things about Francis and Rio Sports Tours. Love Brazil and absolutely would come back and can't wait to see Francis again.